A safety valve should be present in every air tank to prevent accidents if the pressure switch fails to cut off the air compressor. The threaded end is 1/4 inch NPT Male. This safety valve will automatically release air from the tank if the pressure exceeds 250 psi. The valve has a ring that can be pulled to bleed pressure from the tank manually, a very handy feature when you need to drain your tank. A high-quality brass fitting manufactured to the highest standards required on pneumatic applications.